I'm going to quickly show you how to disable location tracking on your iPhone. You're going to tap here on Settings. It's really quick. Now scroll down, keep scrolling until you find the Privacy and Security option. Tap it. You'll come to this page. On this page, tap the first option, which is Location Services. Go ahead and tap it. Notice, everyone, that in my case here, several apps are accessing my location while in use, okay? Some don't have access. If you tap up here on Location Services and uncheck this option, I'll uncheck it to show you. Tap it, then tap here to turn it off. In this case, I just prevented all apps and the system from using my location. I just unchecked it, but I'll check it back on because I can simply disable location access for a specific app. So for example, if I don't want this app to have access to my location, I can tap on it and select the option Never, okay? I selected the Never option here. Now I'll go back. So automatically, the app I just selected here will no longer have access to my location. So you can choose whether you want to disable iPhone location tracking entirely. Just click here and uncheck it. If you don't want to do that, you can go and disable it for individual apps, okay? I hope this helped. If it did, don't forget, help me out too and subscribe to the channel.